All right, everybody. All right. Right. I'm just going through some old memory cards here on. This is like a photo thing. It plays a CD. Just looking for some stuff, and then, well, that's what got me thinking. We like what I'm telling you now is. I mean, there's a lot of stuff gone off through there. I mean, I'm on Allegro, just building last few bits up on it now. Front apron and engine bay were a bit untidy, so I've just bobbed a bit of epoxy. Get it? Because it like flaking all over. People's foot coats, a mess, really. But I ain't been asked to do that. But I've just banged a bit of epoxy out in an aerosol can I use, and I have like a little texture, a pleasant black. That I'm just going to pretty up because I can't sit and look at that. I mean, I was looking at some of these pictures and it was like some smart stuff, So I know I've done it and what some nice stuff, and that's what I do. But that's what's leading me on to what I'm saying now. That's what I was just saying a minute ago. Is right? I'm starting to think we're getting. Well, I think Channel's just going out the same ground. We're building engines and we're on with a bit of bodywork. But I know that's what it is, and I know we do a bit of welding, but I think it's getting tedious, I mean, and I'm like, well, and the older end of cars. I mean, I know we can't keep up with new ones and like say, oh, put a back wing on this and the back, our modern car. We don't do that. I know it's what we do. And people say to me, well, that's what it is. That's how it learns. But what I'm going to start and do, because I'm starting to feel like if I were a rock star, if I were a rock star, I wouldn't be wearing spandex trousers, would I? Whatever they used to be. I wouldn't be bouncing right stage, or they might pull the hip out. Does I get that? That's how I'm starting to feel. I think we're in an era, but I know cars are from that era, and I know I'm from that era, and I know everything. But it's just like, I think YouTube's like a bit of a younger end sort of thing. And I think I might be wrong. I might be wrong in what I'm thinking, but I just think it's getting tedious. So what I'm going to do, what I'm going to start and do in summer is, I've done my thing. Let's see, look. I've got my email and my number on here, look. So I'm going to start in summer and do some one-on-one sort of courses. Well, I can do it. 2 or 3 can come at the same time. But what I'm going to do is start teaching what I do, because obviously these cars are coming to an end. You're going to see them, and I know I'm saying, well, I'm thinking it's probably getting a bit boring this for them, but you might not think that. But when these are gone, some of my cars are coming in and bits and pieces are happening. I mean, it's a bit difficult, like I've just done this Austin Allegro, because I've tied it front up. I can't do it to the level I want to do it, because rest at car ain't level I want to do it. It's like, I don't know as I 100% want to be in that area. I don't know as I want to be like powder coating. I want powder coating set up, but purely for my own stuff. I want blasting set up, probably purely for my own stuff. I'll do bits and pieces for certain people, select certain people. But I want to start a bit of a tuition thing off, teaching people, because I think it could be all right. I mean, I'll have some, obviously, I'm going to have to sort out, get insurance sorted, stuff like that. You're not going to be going to some posh classroom. You're not going to, I mean, and somebody might have been in sync before, it might be a bit mucky. It's not be scruffy, we're not dirty sods. But what I'm saying is it's just, we're a bit more traditional here. We're a bit more old school. It's not like all gloss and, and everything's so. You'll have to watch what you're doing, and I'll teach to watch what you're doing if you're interested. But that's avenue we're going to go down. I mean, we're in a situation like if you've got somebody wants to build their engines, these are what ideas I've got in my head. You want to build your engine, well, you bring your engineer. And then I'll work with you, one-on-one or whatever, get it stripped. I mean, a typical engine, easy, get it down it there, get it out there, that needs to go to the machinist, that needs that. Sort it out with boxes, blah, 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 right, off it goes. It's up there for whatever, then you can come back, right, let's get you on with that, let's build your short motor, let's do, sort your bits and pieces out, and I can guide you all the way through it. Same way if my own cars are in, you can I want to learn how to do a bit of welding. Right, all right, let's do that. Right, let's start on this sill. Let's do this. We're on that back end. We're on front of that wing, repairing that door. Right, well, I do it all. Well, I may as well be passing some of this on. And it may as well be, it'll help pay bills. I ain't even come up with any sort of prices or whatever, however I'm going to do it. Or even if some of you just want to come down. We'll even have something like that. You can have like, I don't know, what do they call it? Well, the meet and greet is it our young says or something. But you don't have to be like, you can just come. Just come spend a bit of time here. Yeah, I'll have a bit of time if you want, because just open doors up a bit more to Joe public. I mean, everybody seems to appreciate like that open day for Zephyrs and that. We'll have some more of them, but I'm just running around ideas and I'm just trying to keep it interesting. And if people want to come and learn, well, they might get on a video. They might get on channel, but I'm just feeling it's getting a bit tedious. And I don't want it to be that. I want it to be a bit exciting. Another thing, I mean, I know I would tear ass in back end off Zodiac. I was ripping, I was going to come up the way full hammer, but I thought, no, I can't miss them down. Because I thought, yo, mate, they're 60 odd. They can't have a channel at 60 odd and be like something young and smoking something round in the streets. I get what I just think we're not that. We're from another era. And the era is passing, and it's passing very rapidly. People who belong to that era are disappearing for enough perch. And I don't want my channel to just get as boring as out. So that's where I'm going to go. These are some changes I'm telling you. I mean, other side I've got over there that's all full of parts at the minute. That's probably going to do a few more reviews of stuff that will interest you. That, you know, I want to probably sit and talk to you out on a bench and let you see stuff. It's probably all going to carry on the same, but I'd like it to have a bit more of a spark. And that's where I'm going to try and head for. So stick around anyway and subscribe if you want to watch stuff. You know, stuff's left to go here. You're going to obviously see Ely kick up. Because they're not just going to be there. They're just not, them nut and bolt jobs are just not going to be there. End of chat. So, you know, the only stuff like that is probably going to be my own. And that's only because of my knowledge. I can drop them pretty quick, get them back together quick, doing other bits and pieces. But I don't want to get bogged down in blasting with people. I don't want to get bogged down in powder coating with people. I can go work for some mates if I want to just chuck a few hours in here and there for a crust, you know, to get a few quid in. But I'd like to teach people and pass some of this on if some of you are interested in being taught. Well, that's my number. That's email. So I'll leave it with you, and we'll take it from there. Cheers. I won't catch you tomorrow because I'll let you stew over this one. And I'll see you Tuesday. All right. Anyhow, pass a comment you want to know, like I said. And just because you like video. Appreciate it. Thank you.